Guys, good morning. Now we are heading towards the safari, Pilibhit safari. You need to take a right turn from here so that we go through the farms. So it's 5 o'clock. So we plan to go to Pilibhit safari by 6:30. It looks to be a little scary on both sides. People claim at night you get to see and witness some wild deer grazing on farmlands. I'm pretty excited. Let's see what is in store for us tonight. So keep tuning. Thank you. So last night we had our bonfire here. We have Gurudwara nearby. That's a great strength. I'm just taking you guys through the farms. That's the night view of Earth Home. I would highly recommend this place. It's amazing. The people are so warm. You feel like you're next home. We are on 3-day safari. Not safari precisely. We are on 3-day trip to a place called Pilibhit. It's a very less explored place. We got to know about this place from YouTube. We are pretty excited about the scenic beauty and the things it could offer us. So prime attraction is obviously the tiger sanctuary, which is Pilibhit. But however, there are 2 more sanctuaries associated or nearby to that. One is Dudhwa National Park is one, and another is Kanhar National Park. I might be taking it wrong, but certainly I'll certainly share that 2 sanctuaries nearby. So the day one, we started from Delhi. It was a little fun trip, and roads were really smooth except the last few patches, but it were not as rough as we expected it. So total is 350 kilometers plus. Great ride, all toll roads, so you can expect to travel to this place within 6 to 6.5 hours precisely. The place where we are staying, Earth Home, is amazing, and it's a very less explored place. And they started this last year, but due to lockdown they shut for almost like 4-5 months. So almost they started getting their guests back. Hey, good morning. Kaisa hai yaar? Good. The staffs are really warmed out here. They really make you feel good and you stay comfortable. So we are on day 2. We are going to see tigers. Hopefully they will see us as well. Rather, they are equally excited to see us. So we have taken up a safari. So it's going to be 3 hours. So what I was talking about, apart from Tiger Sanctuary, there are a couple of other places like Bifurcation. So this place is near to Sharda River, which comes from Nepal, and also India-Nepal border is very nearby. So post the safari, the way we are thinking is we will go to these 2-3 places, and there is a small riverside, Sharda riverside place called Chuka beach. So I'll keep on sharing my first-hand experience with you guys, but right now it's pretty cold. Glad we could bring all our warm clothes to make our tiger safari as comfortable as possible. Tune in, and I'll keep on sharing the pictures and sharing my thought process. Bye. फेमस हो गया यार YouTube में.
आप लोगों की मेहरबानी है.
अरे नहीं यार, एक बंदा पहला था जो यहाँ से चढ़ना है आदि. हाँ. Our resort was adjacent to Tiger Reserve. Our safari started at 5:30 a.m. itself from the nearby gate. As I was in touch with Avdesh, his contact details are available below, and he could organize the pickup and drop from resort. Yeah, you need to pay a little bit extra, but in my view it's worth the deal.
Pilibhit Tiger Reserve is located in Pilibhit in Shahjahanpur district, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and this was notified as a tiger reserve in 2014. Before giving this status, this protected area used to be a timber yielding reserve forest until it was declared as 46th Tiger Reserve, which is in June 2014. The Sharda Sagar Dam extends up to 22 kilometers and it's on the boundaries of the reserve. Pilibhit overall district has 800 square kilometers forest, approximately 23% of the district's total area. The Pilibhit forest have 65 tigers approximately, and it also has various species of deer.
ये bifurcation.
राम राम। इधर वाला खुला है इधर मुस्तफाबाद वाला आया रह चुके हरदोई में गए और उसके बाद ये मेन कैनाल शारदा है, शारदा मुख्य है जो बनवासा से आया है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद थर्ड वाली डिवाइडेशन वाली वो है जो
अच्छा, इसीलिए इसे बाइफरकेशन कहते हैं।
हाँ, इसीलिए
यहाँ से पानी बाइफरकेट होके जा रहा है।
हाँ हाँ, मतलब कि एक तरीके से सफाई किया।
It was freezing cold. I'm glad we have taken warm clothes to protect ourselves. Thanks to COVID mask, which further helped.
इसी जगह पे मैंने देखा
टाइम पे है ना, अब टाइम पे अंदर है, मतलब 6:30
वो रे बड़े सारे पटवान दिए अभी। ओए हाँ, सही में दिख रहा है। अरे बड़ी पतंग बहुत ठंडा।
There are two ways in which you can book your safari. One is through online. The website is available below. Other one, you can directly go out there and book it through the counter in the reception. But it depends upon the overall crowd situation. The overall charge for the safari is 2,500. Even if it is a single person, you have to book the entire jeep. There are two sets of jeep. One is the normal one, another is the luxury one. The luxury one is slightly highly priced. Depending on your preference, you can go and book, but you can't take your own car. You have to go through the safari.
Oh wow, ये भी beautiful.
फॉल है
Oh my goodness. क्या बढ़िया पानी है यार. Water crystal clear है. ये डैम का पानी निकल के आ रहा है.
ये शारदा मेन कैनाल है जो बनवासा से है. ये यही वाली नहर आगे वाइवर के साथ हमें मिली.
अच्छा.
On our way, we could spot a deer on our track. By looking at our vehicle, a deer started running really fast and finally vanished in woods. It was a pure treat to our eyes. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve cut across two states. One on my right side is Uttarakhand, and it doesn't got the status of national park yet. However, on my left side, it comes under Uttar Pradesh. This track is actually the border between two states. On Uttarakhand, we have one Gujar family who stays inside the jungle. After many failed attempts to spot a tiger, we got to see a forest guard place, which we call as Machan. He was gracious enough to offer a chai in a cold morning.
कम भी होगी इस टाइप से.
नहीं, ये हमारा लाइफस्टाइल है ही नहीं है सर. हमारी तो बर्बाद हो रखी है.
आप लोगों की जिंदगी ज्यादा अच्छी है.
आग जला के.
आपकी ऐसी कैसी होगी?
Though he offered chai, but milk ran off. A true reflection of his kindness, he went to nearby Gujar family to get a buffalo milk. Nice of him. We truly respect and remember for this wonderful gesture. Thank you. It was well time spent. Along with a sip of chai, we could hear many jungle stories.
यहाँ से गई है कि नहीं? आप ये पास वाले गांव में रहते हैं क्या? अच्छा.
One thing certainly made me feel it requires a lot of courage and dedication to stay in jungle day and night with self-cooking and no human to speak. It's not easy. It requires a lot of courage.
बस 100 मीटर दूरी पे है। वहाँ से पैदल, यहाँ से पैदल निकले।
ओ यहाँ से पैदल निकलेंगे, सही है।
I got to learn in this trip. Everyone have some story. Our safari driver got electrocuted when he was a truck driver. His truck touched the overhead wire. He was unconscious for 6 days and his right side got completely paralyzed, which took some time for him to walk. I'm glad that he made it.
साइड पे आए नहीं, साइड पे उम्मीद है कि 15 दिसंबर साइड पे आए।
पानी,
जी
खारा पानी है।
ये ना उस साइड में जाते हैं तो उससे लगभग 20-30 किलोमीटर और एरिया पार करने के बाद नेपाल
नेपाल पहुंच जाएंगे। तो ये सी है कोई? नहीं, this is a
ये
dam.
शारदा सागर डैम
ये डैम इतना बड़ा। Called as tree house.
चलो
Oh my God, go.
चले।
हम्म